Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter. Today I'm unboxing the Liberty 2 Pro from Anker. Yes, they do make headphones and wireless earbuds. This is Bluetooth with Qualcomm aptX technology. Offers 32 hours of playtime, and the charging unit for the headphones are wireless charging as well. Here's some of the details. You can go ahead and pause this. We'll just quickly kind of run over the information here. So not only are the headphones wireless, but the case here charges wirelessly, so that's really cool. All right, now we'll go into the box. So the Legends of Power, Anker, they actually make headphones, and this is the second iteration, SoundCore 2. All right, there's the case and the headphones. We'll go inside the box to show you what's happening there. Here we go. Here's one of the wireless headphones. I like the design a lot. There are the gold contacts for charging. And this will definitely give you a higher end sound quality too, because the drivers are bigger and just the technology built in is more robust. And then here is the charging case right here. This kind of slides back, so that's kind of cool. Most of them always flip or turn. This one slides back and has a nice sliding motion as well. This is quite light for a case, and this is wireless charging right down here. You can also charge with USB right there, and this button will tell you the power level right there. It's 2 out of 3, so it comes pre-charged. And this is the other headphone right here. And then going further inside the box, they give you the charging cable, or if you have a wireless charging mat, that'll work. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable, information packet, and a whole helping of ear tips and other pieces for your ears. So they give you multiple different sizes. They give you multiple times more ear tips and pieces for this than Apple does, for instance. I liked this design. It's like a two-tone color, and the red on the inside of the ear tip. It's quite cool. This is the SoundCore 2 from Anker. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.